Hello everyone, and in the subsequent part, we will showcase a live surgery with Nissen Fundoplication. And as a prequel to this video, please watch our previous video on gastric cancer with a theory. Basically, there are 5 indications of Nissen's fundoplication in today's world. So the primary indication of anti-reflux surgery for a GERD indication will be patient is having well-documented reflux events, preceding symptoms like, and another indication can be when patient is offered the choice of live reflux surgery. And remember, my friends, if patient is, and on the contrary, this is a repetition of my talk that patient is having severe GERD, that all of us understand that a single most important factor in development of GERD stop the progression of the GERD requires early recognition of the sign and symptom of the progressive disease. The common denominator of the GERD will be disappearance of the force that immediately and exclusive access to the premium as a link